Hi, my name is Edgar and I'm gonna cook octopus from Galicia. We're gonna use on the same recipe some potatoes, Spanish sweet paprika, extra virgin olive oil, some salt, a little bit of onion, bay leaves and cloves. And this is the octopus we have from the Atlantic Sea in the region of Galicia. So as we always do, we're gonna put some wet paper under our slicing board. We peel the onion first. So after peeling the onions, we're gonna boil some clove with the octopus. To don't get the cloves around the pot or maybe inside the octopus, what we're gonna do is to attach the clove into the onion, maybe 3 pieces in each onion. So now we are gonna put the first ingredients into the water. I'm gonna put the onion with the cloves, 2 of them, some bay leaves. We are gonna take 3 potatoes, we're gonna put them in the pot and we're gonna forget about them. And we leave it boiling. We have this octopus from Galicia. In my experience, the best octopus I always cooked, it's coming from cold seas, cold waters. North of Japan, Hokkaido, you can get very good octopus from there. Northwest from Spain, Galicia. This one it's from there, and it's very important for the octopus to be clean. Usually, octopus use its tentacles for everything. So you're gonna make sure all these tentacles are clean inside. How you usually clean this is with a brush. You can use a nail brush or any type of strong brush to clean the octopus and some waters. This octopus, it's been already clean. All the tentacles are already clean. And I'm gonna teach you how to do is to remove the mouth, which is very simple, and to remove the eyes. So to clean the octopus, as we say, we already done the tentacles. We actually already done the head, which is already empty. This is done by our source, by our fisherman. We buy the octopus already like this. And now we're gonna clean the mouth. The mouth is under the octopus, in the middle of the legs. And what we're gonna do is to push like this, press, just press at the bottom. You see how it goes out very easily. This is the mouth of the octopus. And just with a knife, we can remove the rest of its mouth. We're gonna turn it. You can see we have the 2 eyes in here. And we're gonna remove already the clean octopus. No eyes, no mouth, nothing on the head. Tentacles are clean. And this one is ready to cook. Now we're gonna put it to boil, but we are not gonna put the octopus in one go. What we're gonna do is something that in Spain we call asustar el pulpo, which is I'm gonna put the octopus in the water a little bit, boiling water. Now remove it. You can see the tentacles are changing shape already. I'm gonna do it a second time. Out, you can see the tentacles are changing. And then a third time. And the octopus appearance already have changed completely. Now I'm gonna leave the octopus to cover in water. Make sure we have put enough water to cover all the octopus, the onions and the potatoes. And we are gonna let it cook for around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Why? Because we're gonna cook it around 15 minutes per kilo of octopus we are cooking. So now the octopus has been cooking already for an hour. And I'm just gonna take a needle and make sure the thicker legs, the most thick legs are cooked. You want to feel how the needle goes through the leg with no problem. That means the whole octopus is cooked. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the octopus, which has been already cooked. We got the potato ready, which is still very hot. It's the potato we cook in the same water of the octopus. This potato already tastes like octopus. It's really nice. And we got the octopus also ready. So I'm gonna peel the potato, being careful to don't get burned. Now I will just start making a base of potato on the plate. The potato already on the plate, and now what I'm going to do is just choose a tentacle. This one looks good. And in the old days, in my grandmother's restaurant, they tell me what they would do is they will, in the walking fridge we had in the restaurant, they will hold the octopus and leave a stick on the side, and then everybody during the day, everybody going inside the fridge to do anything should take the stick and hit the octopus a couple of times to make it tender. So by the end of the day, many stuff already went into the fridge, and by the end of the day the octopus was already tender and ready to cook. That was maybe 20 or 25 years ago in my family restaurant in Spain. So the octopus is ready to plate now. Placing the octopus on top of the potato. Paprika in here, extra virgin olive oil, and a little bit of crystal salt. So this is our Galician octopus with potato, extra virgin olive oil, and Spanish sweet paprika served in a traditional Spanish way.